Welcome to Pick of the Week from Power Semiconductors Weekly. Top industry stories this week. SK Foundry developed a silicon carbide planar MOSFET process platform and secured its first 1200-volt silicon carbide MOSFET order, formally entering the compound semiconductor foundry market. The platform spans from 450-volt up to 2.3 kV, targeting higher reliability operation and reports over 90% yields through tighter process control. A customized process support service lets customers tune device specs. Danfoss acquired the remaining shares of Semicron Danfoss, moving from 62% to 100% ownership and converting the former joint venture into a fully owned subsidiary. The step supports Danfoss' LEAP 2030 electrification strategy, increasing strategic control to accelerate investment in advanced power modules and large-scale power electronics for industrial drives, renewables, data centers, energy storage, and off-highway markets. Operations continue unchanged, while Danfoss plans to divest the EV power module business as non-core. ROHM started online sales of new silicon carbide molded modules via distributors including DigiKey and Farnell. TRC Drive Pack is a 2-in-1 module for up to 300 kW EV traction inverters using ROHM's Gen 4 silicon carbide MOSFETs, targeting about 1.5 higher power density and easier topside gate driver assembly. HSD IP20 offers compact 4-in-1 and 6-in-1 options at 750V and 1200V for onboard chargers, servers, and server drives, while DOT247 provides versatile 2-in-1 half-bridge or common source modules for photovoltaics and UPS. Ideal Semiconductor expanded its Super Q 200V MOSFET portfolio with two benchmark devices, 5.5 mA max in TO leadless and 6.3 mA max in TO220, positioned as industry-leading RDS(on) in those packages. Targeting high-efficiency motor drives, they add strong robustness features, including short-circuit withstand, tight VTH matching for paralleling, 175-degree operation, and an avalanche UIS screening. More packages variants are planned for 2026. Navitas added two new packages to its 5th generation GeneSiC 1200V MOSFET platform, a topside cool QD pack for improved heat removal and lower parasitics, and a low-profile 22474L with asymmetrical leads for tighter height and better assembly tolerances. Based on its trench-assisted planar architecture, the devices deliver 35% better RDS(on) times QGD and around 25% improved QGD-QGS, helping prevent parasitics turn-on. Initial 6.5 mA and 12 mA parts are sampling for AI data center and energy infrastructure power. We'll be back next week. Meanwhile, get your daily updates at powersemiconductorsweekly.com.